beginning of each school year, you'll usually need to roll over the students into their new classes, add new enrolments, and remove students that have left the school. Typing Tournament Online makes this process a breeze with its easy-to-use school administration features. Depending on how you initially created your classes in Typing Tournament, you'll have two options. One is a completely automated rollover using student data in a CSV file. And two is a simple select and copy to class process. The automated rollover process is available to schools that follow the recommended guidelines of importing students into Typing Tournament Online using a CSV file from their school's student administration system. These CSV files include the all-important student ID number that allows for the automated process to be completed. Please note that even if you have used other methods to create your students, you can still use this method provided that the student ID field has been filled out correctly for each student and that it matches the school's records. From the School Administration menu, choose Import Students. To complete the automated rollover using CSV files, you'll need to begin by exporting your student records from your school office's school administration system. Follow the instructions on this page to ensure that the CSV file from your school administration system is formatted correctly. And be sure to double check that the student IDs have been included and that each child's class is listed correctly in the class column. By comparing the current classes in Typing Tournament with the new classes in the CSV file, the system can automatically remove any students that are no longer enrolled. To enable this feature, please be sure to click the Remove Students Not Included in CSV File option before you import the file. When you're ready to begin, click the blue Select CSV File to Import button, and then locate the new CSV file you prepared earlier. The system will analyse the file and display the changes that will be made. Click OK to continue. During this process, the system will create new classes if necessary, move existing students into their new classes according to the data in the CSV file, add new students to their classes, and optionally remove students that no longer appear in the CSV file. Once completed, double check that the classes have been created correctly. It's now a good idea to print the student login cards as well as a class list for each teacher. Existing students will retain the same username and password they had in previous years, and they will also keep all of their results and typing progress. If any new classes have been created, you will also need to ensure that they are allocated to the correct teachers from the Manage Classes option of the School Administration menu.